Ripple has been locked in a lawsuit with the SEC led by Gary Gensler for over 2 years, and rumors have been circulating that a judgment is near. Despite this, XRP whales have been taking positions and metrics have been showing signs of a bullish season. Ripple Labs President Monica Long has stated that they are hopeful for a positive resolution this year. In addition, external parties such as Ryan Selkis have expressed their support for Ripple. This article provides an overview of the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC. It highlights how speculation about a judgment has been rampant for the last 2 years, but recently the XRP price action has been responding positively. Whale activity and XRP volume on DEXs indicate that investors are expecting a positive outcome from the judgment. Additionally, Ripple has received support from external parties, despite initially being heavily criticized. Although Monica Long has debunked the rumors that a judgment is imminent, she remains confident that a resolution will be reached by the end of the year. Bitcoin price recovered the $28,000 support after a brief correction below $27,000, and the Federal Reserve hinted that it is nearing its maximum level for 2023. Global economies are exhibiting signs of stress, which is affecting companies' profits and leading to layoffs. Professional traders are not using excessive leverage on their long positions. They have not added many short positions, indicating that they are not overly confident in the market. Despite this, the SEC's Wells notice against the Coinbase exchange on March 22 may keep the price of Bitcoin below $30,000 in the short term. This article provides a comprehensive analysis of the Bitcoin market and the traditional financial sector at large. It looks at the Federal Reserve's recent interest rate decision, as well as its implications for global economies. Additionally, it examines the impact of job losses on the market, as well as the current state of the margin and futures markets. This article concludes by assessing the potential implications of the current situation and its potential to push Bitcoin price beyond the $30,000 threshold. Overall, it provides an insightful look into the Bitcoin market dynamics. zkSync Era, a zero-knowledge proof rollup on Ethereum Layer 2 scaling network, has opened to users in alpha after 4 years in development. This allows for faster and cheaper transactions, with most Ethereum dApps being able to port over with minimal changes. 32 to 50 projects are set to launch on March 24 and more are porting over. zkSync Era can offer orders of magnitude greater scaling than Ethereum currently does. Matter Labs has invested time and money into security testing and audits to reduce risk. zkSync also has native account abstraction, allowing for more secure transactions and a 24-hour waiting period to ensure security. zkSync relies on a centralized sequencer and prover. However, a new proof system is being developed to reduce hardware requirements and should be available in 2021. This article provides a comprehensive overview of the upcoming launch of zkSync Era, a zero-knowledge proof rollup Layer 2 scaling network on the Ethereum blockchain. It outlines the expected projects to go live on the network and the expected performance, in terms of transactions per second, that it is expected to offer. The article also provides details on the security measures taken to ensure the safety of the network and the new features, such as native account abstraction, that the network will provide. Additionally, the article provides insight into the decentralized nature of the network and the challenges that the team is facing in making it truly decentralized. Overall, the launch of zkSync Era is an exciting development in the world of decentralized finance and is expected to provide users with faster and cheaper transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. David Schwartz, the chief technology officer at Ripple Labs, trolled Elon Musk by posting a picture of a book called Internet Memes for Dummies on Twitter. He also commented asking his followers to read it ASAP. He called himself an equal opportunity mocker and said Musk often does things that are extremely mockable. Despite this, Musk has never commented on the SEC case against Ripple, instead continuing to advocate for Dogecoin. This article provides an overview of David Schwartz's tweet and subsequent response when questioned about it. It is clear that Schwartz does not have any ill will towards Elon Musk, as evidenced by his previous congratulations on the Tesla case victory. However, Schwartz does not seem to be a fan of Musk's meme posting habits, as he mocked him with a post of his own. Connor Ryder is a research analyst at crypto data firm Gbaco. Recent banking crisis has caused people to look for alternative ways to protect their assets. Bitcoin has been seen as a decentralized form of money that can't be controlled by any entity. However, the surge in BTC price can be largely attributed to the lack of liquidity in the market. This is due to the collapse of FTX Exchange and its sister firm Alameda Research, as well as the reintroduction of fees on Binance's BTC USDT and BTC Bus trading pairs. This lack of liquidity means it takes less size to move the price of BTC, leading to increased volatility. While BTC is seen as a hedge against financial calamity, investors need to be cautious of an outsized move downwards in the coming weeks. This article provides an interesting perspective on the surge of Bitcoin in the past month, which is largely attributed to the lack of confidence in banks in the US and Europe. The article draws attention to the current market structure and how it has impacted BTC's liquidity, with the reintroduction of fees on Binance's BTC USDT and BTC Bus trading pairs, leading to a 70% drop in liquidity on the BTC USDT pair overnight. It also warns of an outsized move downwards in the coming weeks as there is less support to the downside. The article provides an informative and comprehensive analysis on the surge of BTC in the past month and the implications of the current market structure. David Gokhshtein, founder of Gokhshtein Media and former U.S. congressional candidate, recently questioned the potential of Ethereum to reach $10,000. He noticed that no one was talking about it on crypto Twitter. With Ethereum currently holding strong at $1,750, this could be due to the banking crisis and the US Bitcoin price has been pushed to the $28,000 mark, which has let Ethereum regain $1,800. This has fueled the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum and the rest of the crypto market that follows them, to be on the rise. This article evaluates the opinion of David Gokhshtein regarding Ethereum reaching $10,000. Gokhshtein wonders if the community of the second largest digital currency still believes that it has the potential to reach the above-mentioned high price level. He notes that he has not heard anyone talking about Ethereum hitting $10,000 on Twitter recently. Additionally, Gokhshtein explains that the Ethereum price is currently holding in the $1,750 area and that it had recently managed to top $1,800. He attributes this price increase to the banking crisis in the US and the fact that First Republic Bank and Credit Suisse have faced the same destiny. Finally, Gokhshtein concludes that this is fueling the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum and the rest of the crypto market to be on the rise. The Bankruptcy Court of the U.S. has approved the sale of nearly 6,400 mining rigs worth $4.7 million to U.S. Farms and Mining Opportunity Fund. BlockFi, which filed for bankruptcy in late November 2022 due to the fallout from the collapse of crypto exchange FTX, was the seller. The majority of the rigs are Bitmain Antminers across the U.S. in Texas, Georgia, Kentucky, and North Dakota. Additionally, around 400 have been acquired through foreclosure in Norway. This article provides an overview of the bankruptcy case of BlockFi and the sale of 6,400 mining rigs to the U.S. Farms and Mining Opportunity Fund. The majority of the rigs are Bitmain Antminers located in the U.S. and Norway, with 400 of them coming from foreclosures. The sale was approved by the federal bankruptcy court administering the case, and the total amount of the transaction was $4.7 million. Bitcoin's price has been recovering this year, increasing from under $17,000 to around $28,000 per Bitcoin. The crypto market has added over $300 billion. Bitcoin bulls are predicting the banking crisis could have primed Bitcoin for a fresh breakout. Kathy Wood of ARK Investment Management expects a huge Bitcoin and Ethereum price breakout. The Federal Reserve's recent decision to hike interest rates has raised expectations that the Fed will be forced to flip dovish, which could trigger a return to a Bitcoin, Ethereum and crypto bull market. Despite increasing its balance sheet to prop up the banking system, the Fed's decision has raised these expectations. This article explains the current situation in the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto market and how the banking crisis that has spread across the globe could affect it. The article suggests that the Federal Reserve's actions in response to the banking crisis could lead to a return to a Bitcoin and Ethereum bull market. It also points out how the behavior of the Bitcoin price during the crisis could be attractive to institutions. It is clear that the banking crisis has caused a great deal of uncertainty, but it could also open up the possibility of a huge Bitcoin and Ethereum price breakout. As such, it is important to keep an eye on the market and the Fed's actions in order to make the best decisions regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum investment. Non-fungible token marketplaces have seen a meteoric rise in digital asset trading in the past year. Nifty Gateway is one of the most popular. Nifty Gateway is a high-end NFT marketplace on the Ethereum blockchain and is backed by the Winklevoss Twins crypto exchange, Gemini LLC. They are known for their exclusive art drops. These drops feature limited edition and limited quantity items from top artists, musicians and brands that often sell out quickly. They support US dollar fiat payments and employ security measures such as encryption and two-factor authentication. Despite this, NFTs can be volatile, and users should understand the risks before investing. This article provides a comprehensive overview of Nifty Gateway, an Ethereum-based NFT marketplace. It outlines the platform's features, such as exclusive art drops and the ability to buy NFTs with fiat currency, as well as the security measures taken to ensure user safety. The meteoric rise of the digital asset market, which includes NFTs, is clearly evident from the $17.6 billion in sales in 2021. Despite the potential risks involved in investing in NFTs, Nifty Gateway's numerous features and its high-end partnerships make it a standout platform.